Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. This is 2008 Chrysler Town and County. I'm gonna replace a rear rotor and brake pad. It's Chrysler Town and County and Dodge Caravan is the same procedure, everything same. So first we need to take the tire off. Please put the jack and jack stand when you take the tire off. And this is 19 millimeter. I'm gonna take the tire off. First of all, we're gonna take, there's a 13 millimeter, one in here, one in right there. See this one? So we're gonna take this 13 millimeter out. So put the screwdriver or something in here. So this knot is like moving. You have to hold that like this and just 13 millimeter. Be careful, this is very soft metal they use for the ball. I had to heat it up sometime. You see, if you have a thin wrench, I don't know why they use this. Look at the board, like a very thin head. See, you have the, like this is a thin one. See this? This is different. Just pry it like this. So I'm going to replace the rotor too. This rotor, see this, pretty bad. So that's why it's 18 millimeter right there. See that? The 18. This one is not moving up anymore because you see this wire. This is a emergency brake wire. So I'm going to release this one. See the bracket right here, rotor bracket bolt. Take this off. Need to take this. There's a one 13 millimeter right here. So I'm going to take this off. After when I take this off, so I can really move easily this one. See, after I took this bolt out right there, and I can move this wire easily. See, when I pull this, the wire is moving like this freely. Don't break this ABS sensor. See, just simply just pull it from here. See, take from here as well. Right there. There's one push clip. Just take the clip off. Now it's safe. I want to test this one. You can move anywhere you want. See this bottom bracket bolt right here, 18 millimeter. Right there, I'm gonna take this off. So this one I can pry like this. The reason I have to do all this thing, this bolt is smashed already, the head is smashed, is I heat it up like this. I cannot open that, so I don't really need to open this to change the rotor. I'm gonna take this like bracket off. See, after I took this bracket bolt, like 18 millimeter, both of them, then I can really just simply take it off. This, yeah. I can take the rotor out. Just before you put the rotor here, brake clean a little bit. Just work it up. Right. After that, I'm gonna Just put the bracket back like so. 18 millimeters. 17 milli. And the bottom right here. Put the new rotor, just tie one bolt like this all the way, so it will give nice and flush. So this one is not gonna move really too much. Just stay right there. Every one you can put another one right here. More.
You need one of the toolbox brake caliper tools.
See on this box, you will see one of these. Like this one is go like this. See this? It's the bottom part. Put underneath. Let's go inside like this. Okay. Then you put these. See these two holes right there. They have a magnet, so it's not gonna fall it. So when you put this, simply this one, you see this is has to go right there like this, and match this, match to the hole. See, the attach to the hole. Then this one, this is the knot right there. You just tie it up like this. You see this thing is coming this way. See that? Now I see test to this. It's tight now. So this is a 22 millimeter knot right there. Pull one of the wrench like this and just there. See, this thing is flush already right here. Now we can put the brake pad easily. And now just turn the opposite way so it will get loose. I can take it off this too, like this. So now we have to place this shim. A brake clean, just clean a bit. One side big and the one other side is small, so big one is outside like this. This is big, it should be outside like this. There we go. Silicone paste like this one. So I'm gonna use a little bit of silicone paste in here, not much, just a little bit. On the side, just one drop, that's it. A little bit, not much. I usually put this, you see, one have the indicator, another have don't have it, so I usually put it like inside the indicator one. You can put outside too if you want, doesn't matter. Just how I go like this. See, I put the brake pad. Then check this guide pin, caliper guide pin is moving or not. See, this guide pin is going up and down, like this one. See, so it's now moving. So you have to change the caliper guide pin. So see, there's a grease already. I don't have to really grease it. It's good. Or you can put some like silicone paste Just take it off. Just put it some silicone paste like this. Simply just put it in. Same thing the other one too. When you pull it like this, see this? This whole thing is coming out. I put the grease already. See, you can put it in. Some silicone paste too. Right now, simply just push it in. You see this? Just put it in. After that, tight this bowl right here. See? Bowl, 13 minutes. So that, don't forget to put this inside here. You have a binding or something, just move this wire, then it will like this one should have a gap like there. Sometimes this thing is this shield is touching the rotor, so that's why you hear sometimes the noise. So make sure you have a gap in here. We will go inside. After that, just put this bracket back. So guys, just put in the tire back. Thank you for watching.